Right, well, courtesy of Mukjunkie, we've been sent some of their products to review. Weather's not been ideal since we've been back from America. It's been kind of cold and wet and damp up here. Roads have been really dirty and not really had the opportunity to clean the van down properly before we head off to Europe. It's still looking kind of mucky at the moment, but I think what I'm going to do today is I'm going to give Mukjunkie a go just on the back of the van and see how well it performs in taking off some of this road grime, salt and dirt and other muck we've picked up off the roads. So let's give it a go. Before using this stuff, it does say to rinse it down and remove any loose dirt and mud, but I'm just going to go straight for it and just spray it straight on. I have diluted it down, but as I say, I'm not going to spray any water on it. I'm going to put it to the test and see how well it performs without a pre-rinse. Okay, I'm going to leave that to soak for a little while and then come back, probably agitate it a bit with a sponge and then rinse it off. Right, let's agitate it with a sponge. Right, we'll leave that for a couple more minutes and then we'll rinse it off. Right, now time for the rinse. Right, that's it rinsed off. I'll go in for a close-up shot and we'll see what the results are like. Okay, I think first impressions, it's left a nice shiny coat to it there, look. A bit of a comparison from where I've washed and haven't washed. Nice and smooth. Yeah. It's not done too bad a job on the white strips as well. Yeah, I think overall I'm kind of pleased with that. It's just a quick wash this morning because it is cold out here, and obviously I don't want to waste too much time giving it a full wash given the state of the roads at the moment, but the van will be getting a proper wash again before we head off, and I'll be using Mukjunkie. Right, so as well as the caravan and motorhome cleaner that they sent us to try out, they've also sent us a toilet bowl rinse and chemical toilet fluid, so we'll be giving these a test on the road as well, so we'll let you know how those perform. So a big thank you to Mukjunkie for sending out these products for us to review. As I say, we've got the caravan and motorhome cleaner that seems to have performed well. We've got the toilet fluid and the toilet rinse, which we'll be trying when we're on the road. It came in a 5 litre container with a tap on the top that you can fill the spray bottle with, so that was very helpful and very handy to have. So once again, thanks very much Mukjunkie, and really pleased with the product. If you like what you've seen, head over to the website below and use the code GATORSONTOUR to get 10% off Mukjunkie products.